Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming basics that matter. Remove silicone or foam tips and look for lint or earwax on meshes, then clean gently with a dry brush. Next, plug the earbuds into a different phone or laptop and try another cable or adapter to isolate the source. If wireless, fully charge and toggle Bluetooth off/on. Once done, turn off any active noise cancellation or phone EQ presets so you get an uncolored baseline for the next steps. You should update the earbuds firmware and open the companion app because many fixes live there. Updates can correct driver-level issues. Then adjust the equalizer, lower extreme bass if you hear mud, and boost upper mids slightly to restore vocal clarity. Also check Bluetooth codec settings, switch between aptX, LDAC, and SBC to see which sounds best. If available, compare wired versus wireless listening. Wired mode often reveals whether Bluetooth finish by optimizing the physical fit. Try different sized tips or high-density foam to seal sound and improve bass response. If you have a detachable cable, swap it for a known good cable. If sound is still distorted on both ears, the drivers may be failing and need professional repair or replacement. Make sure to test channels in mono to rule out a single driver fault. If everything fails, contact manufacturer, support with test results, and serial number for warranty assistance.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.